Microorganisms are small living organisms that play various roles in our environment and health. In this discussion, we will explore different types of microorganisms and key terms related to them, focusing on their role in the first stage of the infection cycle. Microorganisms that reside within your body without causing disease are referred to as normal flora. Remarkably, the number of bacteria in your body is nearly equal to the number of human cells. A pathogen is a microorganism capable of causing disease. In healthcare, pathogens are a central focus because they play a significant role in patient care. Healthcare providers dedicate much of their time to identifying, treating, and preventing infections caused by these harmful microorganisms. There are several types of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and parasites. We are going to start with a discussion about bacteria. Bacteria are classified by their shape. Let's take a look at the terms that are used to name bacteria. Cocci is the term used to describe round or sphere-shaped bacteria. Bacilli is the term used to describe more rod-shaped bacteria. Spirochetes is the term used to describe a bacteria shaped like a spiral. Bacteria are treated with antibiotic medications, which are specially designed to kill them or stop their growth. Different antibiotics work in various ways, but the main goal is to disrupt the bacteria's ability to survive. Some antibiotics prevent the bacteria from reproducing, while others block their access to vital nutrients. By doing this, the infection is contained and your body has the chance to recover and heal. You can see these discs placed on a plate containing antibiotics. Each disc represents a different type of antibiotic. The clear area surrounding a disc, called the zone of inhibition, shows how effectively that antibiotic is killing the bacteria. A larger clear area indicates stronger effectiveness, while a smaller or no clear area suggests the bacteria are resistant to that antibiotic. This is known as a culture and sensitivity.